In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Zoho Desk. Let's dive right in and take this step by step, ensuring you feel confident in creating an insightful dashboard to meet your specific needs. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the main Zoho Desk interface. Once you're there, look for the Analytics module. This is where all of your data analysis and visualization magic happens. When you find it, go ahead and click on this module to proceed. You'll be brought to the Analytics Overview page, which serves as a gateway to all of your analytical tools. Now, to continue on our dashboard journey, you'll need to focus your attention on the left-hand menu. Here, you'll spot the Dashboards tab. Click on that, and you'll be stepping into the realm where your data stories come to life through visuals. Next, let's get into the active creation mode. Find the Add Dashboard button and give it a click. This is an invitation to start building something that will make interpreting your data much simpler and more engaging. You'll now need to think about a few important aspects. First off, what would you like to name your dashboard? Think of a descriptive name that clearly conveys its purpose, as this will help you and others easily identify its function later on. After naming it, decide on a folder where you'd like to organize this dashboard. You can choose an existing folder or create a brand new one tailored to your needs. Take a moment to consider the visibility settings of the folder too, as these settings influence who will have access to view your dashboard. Additionally, if you feel it's necessary, you can add a brief description. Although optional, this description can clue people into the dashboard's purpose at a glance. With your foundational elements in place, it's time to bring your dashboard to life by adding components. Click on Add Component, and a panel will pop up offering you a variety of visualization options. You can select from charts, tables, KPI cards, and even custom views. For those who leverage other Zoho apps, there's the added perk of embedding components directly from Zoho Analytics and others. As you choose each component, you'll have options to configure them. This includes selecting data sources like reports or custom views and tailoring their appearance to fit the narrative you wish to communicate. Once you're satisfied with the components and their arrangements, it's time to hit Save. This finalizes your newly created dashboard. But don't stop there. Now that your dashboard is ready, you can view it and make further customizations as needed. This includes adding or removing components, playing around with the layout, and fine-tuning the settings to ensure your dashboard is as informative and user-friendly as possible. And there you have it, a new dashboard in Zoho Desk, ready to display crucial insights. Feel free to explore and tweak your dashboard further, ensuring it's optimized for your unique needs. Happy dashboarding!